put that right in the garbage. Where is your this? Does this look right here? Does that fit on her?
No.
Okay, so find the right wrench. Leave that one out. Does that fit? Go ahead, try it.
I think it's so hard. This one?
Grab one. Just grab it and try. Use the other end. All right. Does that fit?
No, just
All right. Go figure. You put that back. You had a 14. It was too small. So what size you go to?
15.
Sure. There you go. That's the one. Okay. Well,
It's 15.
go.